Hello everyone, I'm back again with the preposition series, and today I'm going to take up preposition of place. To begin with that, we have in and at. In is used with the names of big cities, states and countries. Like, he lives in India. In is also used to suggest enclosed within an area, like in the room, in the box, in the bag, in the car. These are all enclosed areas. At suggests not enclosed, like at the crossroad, at the end of the road. At is also used for specific locations, like at the bus stop, at the railway station. There is a lot of crowd. We also use at to suggest that some activity is taking place, like at his table, where some activity takes place, at the conference, at his table. In and into. In denotes the rest position inside something, like the children are sitting in the classroom. They're already in. And into denotes that some motion is taking place, like motion towards the inside of something. Something is, like suppose this is a room and somebody is coming inside this room. So there's a motion. Example, the children were sitting quietly in the room. The children are already in the room, so we'll say in the classroom. The thieves barged into the house when the family was away for vacation. So thieves barged into means they moved into the house. On and upon. On is used when we refer to something at rest, like the box is on the table. So there's a box which is on the table. And upon is used to denote motion, like the tiger quickly pounced upon its prey. Between and among. So between is when we are talking about two persons or things. And among is when it is more than two persons or things. The secret was shared only between the two friends. I distributed the sweets among all the staff members. Among all the staff members, obviously the staff members were more than two. And between two friends, the number was only 2. Beside and besides. Beside means by the side of, and besides means in addition to. Like, they sat beside the river to chat and relax. Beside the river means by the side of the river, so that they can have a good time together. And besides means in addition to. Besides paying his school fee, the teacher gave him free tuition. So that is along with the payment of his school fee, the teacher also helped the child with free tuition. So now let's practice. We have to choose the correct choice among the two. He sat dash Hari and Samir. So between and among, what will come? There are two persons, so obviously we use between with two persons or things. He used to live dash Delhi. With big cities, countries, states, we use in. The girl is sitting dash her mother. Beside or besides? Beside means by the side of, and besides means in addition to. So beside, by the side of her mother. The boys jumped dash the pool. Obviously they are jumping into the pool. So there is a movement, so into. He has been dash home for 3 days. So in home or at home. See, home is actually, it's not we will not take it as a very close area, because home is big also, small also, but it's in a room is okay, but for home we'll use at, and for room we'll use in. Both the boys distributed the sweets dash themselves. So now there were two boys, both means two. So between or among? Between. The police rushed dash the building. In or into. Rushed means it is showing some sort of movement inside the building. So movement will go with into. Sometimes there is no light dash her room. In or on. Now this question I leave for you all, and I want you all to answer in the comment box. I'll be waiting for your answers. Thank you and have a good day.